Hi lovies, welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Tarisha and I upload videos on Saturday and Tuesday, and I might upload a video in between that. I'm so excited to have you guys here. I'm just showing you an overview of what the kitchen currently look like. I will be decorating, cleaning and redecorating the kitchen for Christmas 2023. I am so excited. I'm doing a gingerbread and peppermint theme in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you find it extremely motivating, and if you are new here, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I will let you guys know where I got everything. Majority of the stuff I'll be using in today's video are from TJ Maxx, Amazon or Ross. Also, I've shared my shop with me videos on Tuesdays, so if you've been watching those, you probably already have an idea where I got everything from, so you will see how I style them in the space today. I picked up this tinsel garland on Amazon and I believe it's 9 feet long, and I'm going to put it above this. I'll have everything linked in my Amazon storefront, links in my bio or my description box. This year is my first year putting garland above the cabinet. I've always wanted to do this. It was a struggle to do this. First of all, I was trying to use command strips. I was trying to use these suction cups clips. Eventually had to stick it with tape to get it to stay. The ribbons I got off Amazon. I ended up doing the other cabinet off camera because it was taking just too long, and I ended up running out of this type of ribbon, so I am going to go to Dollar Tree and get some of the other ribbons because these were pricier, and finish up the other cabinet doors. Unfortunately, you will not see that in this video, but you will see it in another clean with me video afterwards. Also guys, please do excuse my cabinet. They are really messy inside. I really need to reorganize in there and do it, but all with the girls and I have all been sick, so it's been kind of a mess in the house because I haven't really been able to clean much, but it's going to get done. So please do judgment over here. This house is really lived in, so it's not for sure. We're a family of 4. It's a tiny apartment, so it's a lived in house, so just bear with me. this gingerbread house I got from TJ Maxx, and it cost $29.99. This is a hand towel holder I got from Amazon, and I am putting it behind the gingerbread and putting the hand towels on it just to disguise the pasta and rice jar, because it has to be there. I have nowhere else to put them, but I don't want it to be visible, so I'm using that to hide it. This cookie jar, I forgot how much it cost, but it was from Ross. If you go back and watch my shop with me video, I include all the prices for all the items in my shop with me video. I always do that. Are from the Dollar Tree. Tear tray and candle holders are from Amazon. Everything that I'm using on the tear tray are from Amazon.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
The beads are from Amazon, the house and tree is from Dollar Tree, and the candles are from Amazon. This sign from TJ Maxx, and I absolutely love it because sometimes we do forget that the reason for the season is Jesus Christ. So I absolutely love it, and I just had to get it. These stove handle holders I got from Amazon. I'll also link those in my storefront, and this sign is from the Dollar Tree. I'm using it on this tray, sort of hide the stuff on the fridge. I end up changing out the drying mat. Both of them I got from Dollar Tree, so I changed it out to a plain red one just to match the decor. The gingerbread garland I picked up from Ross.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the house
The mats I got off Amazon, and I just love how the gingerbread man and the gingerbread houses look behind this red background. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The snowman, the tinsel car, and the gnome I got from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, this is what everything looks like for now. I'm going to be adding some more bowls to the cabinet, but you won't be seeing it in today's video. I'll also be doing the coffee bar area in another video, and I love how everything turned out. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with all the lights off and what it looks like during the nighttime. It is absolutely gorgeous. I do love how everything turned out. What do you guys think? As you can see, we don't have an island. It's an L-shaped kitchen, so this is all the counter space we have. So I didn't want to overflow the counter with too much stuff, because we still need to leave space for prep space and stuff like that. And I have stuff on the counter that I just don't have anywhere to put. I can't put them in the cabinet because the cabinets are all full and they just have to be on the counter. So I try to hide stuff as much as I can using some decor, and the storage on the refrigerator, I try to use the signs to hide some of them, like the applesauce and stuff. Those have to stay on the fridge because the girls love snacking on applesauce and their Pediasure, and they can easily grab it from there using the step stool instead of trying to reach the cabinet. So it's easily accessible for them, so it is practical and functional, and it suits our family's need. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I mean, it's not Hallmark or HGTV worthy, but it is beautiful. The girls love how it turned out, and I love how it turned out, and I think it is perfect. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you want to see more content like this, please do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I'll be putting up the tree and decorating it this weekend, and then I'm going to decorate the living room. I also plan on decorating the bathroom. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Please let me know your thoughts and how you liked it, how everything turned out. Would you do anything different, or would you let everything stay just the same? I want to thank you guys for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Give this video a thumbs up guys, and share it with somebody who might need some motivation. Thank you guys for being here. Until next time, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and a fabulous year. I know it's still early, but happy holidays, and I hope you guys have a merry and a fabulous one. I love you guys.